Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to show you my analysis on 4 hour time frame. So on order block. So I already told you, if you mark your VOI on 4 hour time frame. So my special advice is drop down into 1 hour time frame as a beginner to confirm your entry, or 15-minute time frame. Don't blow above 4 hour or 15-minute time frame. So here is my analysis on 4 hour time frame. I already marked my order block. So definitely, if you see here, the price is reached my VOI and is starting pushing down. So if you mark your VOI order block, maybe order block or any other kind of strategy. For me, I use order block. So already I mark my order block. So if you mark your order block, when price is reaching your VOI and start pushing down, so it is must for you to drop down into 1 hour time frame or 15-minute time frame to your confirmation itself. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. So here is 1 hour time frame. If you see, here is 1 hour time frame. So if you see here, definitely the price is starting pushing down. So if you come to 1 hour time frame or 15-minute time frame to confirmation your entry, I already told you, you need at least 3 to 4 things to confirm the entry. Number 1, break of structure. Number 2, change of character. Number 3, inside your small time frame to confirm entry, you must see order block inside. So if you see order block, so sometimes the price is come back into this fair value gap and starting pushing down. So you don't need too much things before enter the market. So the most important things, number 1 is must see break of structure. Number 2, change of character. Number 3, order block inside your small time frame to confirm. Then fair value gap. So if you see this, so your confirmation entry is now valid. So if you see here on 4 hour time frame, definitely the price is break of structure and continue move up. So here is change of character, the price is starting getting down and break of structure down here. So if you see, here is order block. Let me zoom. If you see, here is order block. So it is must for you, if you like, to wait the price come back to mitigate your order block and start pushing down. So if you see, here is order block and then the price is go back to mitigating and definitely is dropping down. So if you see this confirmation, your entry point is valid. So if you do analysis on 4 hour time frame, so drop down into 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame. So my advice to you as a beginner, drop down into 1 hour time frame for confirmation you are entry. So because 1 hour time frame is save you to lose too much money. So that is why if you draw your analysis of 4 hour time frame and drop down into 1 hour time frame to confirmation you are entering, you must see break of structure before enter. You must see break of structure or change of character, and then you must see order block inside this break of structure and fair value gap. So when you get these things, so if you like, you wait the price to mitigate your order block. If price may get the order flow, so definitely the price is going to be down. So around this you can enter. So if you see here, I already enter on live trading. So let us see in the next of minutes or hours which is what we are going to get here.